The caller ID policy area can be found inside the Teams Admin Center if you expand voice and then scroll down and click on caller ID policies. If you just have the default global org-wide policy on your list here, then everyone in your organization using the Teams phone system automatically has this policy assigned to them. You can click add to create additional policies and then assign a policy to a specific 365 group of users. Let's check out what my global policy has been set to. I'll click on top of it. If I wanted to block the phone number from showing up from any inbound call from the outside world, I could turn this slider on here. In most cases, you're going to want to leave this slider turned off so your users can see the inbound phone number on their calls that come in. The override, the caller ID policy setting, with this off, the users do not have the ability to individually go into their settings within Teams itself and then toggle their outbound caller ID number to be anonymous or not. If I turn this slider on, now everyone in my organization will have the ability to individually control if their outbound caller ID will show their phone number or not. I'm going to leave mine off. The calling party name, this is known as CNAM. It's not the number. It's up to 15 digits of the name that will show up when they call out. If you need to control the CNAM, you will not be doing that here. You'll be doing that over in UniVoIP's service control interface. This last option, replace the caller ID with, so my default is user's number. So whatever number has been assigned to a user in UniVoIP service control, that is the number that will show up when that user calls out. However, you can change it. If I select anonymous, everyone that calls out will not be showing a phone number at all. Now, given what my business might be, I might want to create another calling policy and have this set to anonymous and only assign that policy to a specific group of users. The third choice is a resource account. If you select resource account, you will then need to select the proper resource account that you'd like to use. For example, if I search for one of my auto attendants, like my main auto attendant, by selecting that resource account from my main auto attendant, the phone number that has also been assigned to this resource account called AA_main, in my case, that will be the number that shows up, not their individualized DID. So those exact same options are available if you want to create additional caller ID policies and not have them be global. You can click add here, name your policy. I'll call mine support group. And for this particular policy, I want all of my support group people, when they call out, to use the resource account that's assigned to my call queue for support. I'll search for the name of that resource account. I called it main, so that's the one. I'll select it and hit save. So now I have the new policy here. I just need to assign my new policy to the proper group of people, so they will no longer be part of the global policy. I can do that by going here to the Group Policy Assignment tab, clicking Add, select my group. There's my support group, and then select the policy, the support group policy. And just to ensure everything locks in correctly, you want to make sure that the rank is number 1, and then hit Apply, and then Confirm. So now I have 2 policies. For the people in my support group, they're going to show the main phone number for support when they call out. But for everybody else in my organization, they will show their own individualized DIDs. Thanks for watching.